everybody, if you are watching this while you are in school, then you should be watching this from the cafeteria. That is probably the plan for the foreseeable future, because I've had a close contact, so I'm actually skedaddling out of here. So it's going to be a little while before you get to see me again, and you'll probably be in the cafeteria instead of my classroom for a while now. One of the reasons that we're going to be able to do that is because the class is so independent and is really on you to keep trucking and keep moving forward, that's the easiest way to keep everybody supervised and still moving forward. So, nothing with the class is changing. You still need to ask for assessments when you are ready for them, although they will probably not be available today. And there will still be new assignments. There will still be new videos posted every single day. So, the class, the math, does not change. The only things that are changing is where you will be on your in-person days. You'll be in the cafeteria or the gym instead. And I will not be there, so you will be asking somebody else for your assessments. Although, again, those will not be available today, just because that's a bridge too far for getting everything set up today. So, I will not be here. I'm going to miss you guys. I will be able to see you in my Google Meet starting tomorrow. But keep trucking, keep working. Again, the only things that are changing is you will not be in my classroom. You will be down working more independently by yourself. Okay, so I hope to see all of you soon. I'm going to miss you guys. And good luck. If you need me, jump into my Google Meet starting tomorrow, and I will be there for you. I'm more than happy to walk you through anything you need. I have a whiteboard at home, so we'll be able to just keep talking with the math. And I'll see you there.